12 ways to make a man miss you like crazy. Now, in the dance of human connections, every gesture shapes the depth of our bonds. Whether drawing from timeless wisdom or the intricacies of psychology, certain strategies can magnify your allure, making him yearn for your company. Now, here are some of the time-tested methods to make a man miss you, serving as your guide to forge a more profound and compelling bond, be it in a budding romance or rekindling an old flame. I'm Brody Boyd with Magnetize Your Man, and as a professional love coach for over 13 years, here's what I've seen. The first way to make him miss you like crazy is to appreciate him. Everyone wants to feel valued and cherished. When you sincerely appreciate a man, you make him feel important and significant. By highlighting his strengths and acknowledging his efforts, you increase his desire to be around you. Dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward, is released when someone feels acknowledged or appreciated. When you appreciate a man, you trigger this release, making him associate that feel-good sensation with you. An old proverb says, "He who feels appreciated will always do more than what is expected." When someone feels genuinely appreciated, they are motivated to give more, do more, and be more present. The second way to make him miss you like crazy is to cultivate a great social life. By having a rich and vibrant social life, you not only maintain your individuality, but also convey that you have a world outside of the relationship. This creates an allure that as he realizes he's not the only source of your happiness. Humans naturally desire what they perceive as slightly out of reach. When you have a strong social circle, he sees you as someone with multiple facets and engagements, making you more appealing and increasing his yearning for your presence. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius once said, "Birds flock to a tree full of fruit." Much like a tree filled with enticing fruit attracts birds, a person with an enriching social life attracts others. The Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius suggests that abundance and fullness are naturally appealing. The third way to make him miss you like crazy is to be mysterious. Keeping a veil of mystery means not revealing every detail about your life instantly. By doing so, you spark curiosity and make him want to uncover more about you. The human brain is wired for curiosity. When faced with the unknown, we naturally seek to discover and understand. By being mysterious, you activate this inner curiosity, making him think about you more. The French poet Jean Cocteau said, "Mystery is the lifeblood of seduction." Jean understood that the unknown is inherently enticing. Seduction lies not just in what is shown, but also in what is hidden. The fourth way to make him miss you like crazy is to be optimistic. Positivity and optimism are attractive. By radiating a hopeful and positive attitude, you become a source of light and joy in his life, making him long for your company. Being around optimistic individuals increases our feelings of happiness and reduces stress. This is because optimistic individuals activate mirror neurons in the brain which reflect their positive emotions onto those around them. An old proverb says, "The sun does not forget a village just because it is small." This saying reminds us that the sun, symbolizing hope and optimism, shines everywhere, regardless of the size or significance. Similarly, an optimistic person spreads positivity and light, affecting even the smallest facets of life and making their presence feel deeply missed when absent. The fifth way to make him miss you like crazy is to take care of your physical health. Looking after your physical well-being is not only crucial for your own sake, but also signifies self-respect. When you prioritize your health, you exude confidence and vitality, which are irresistible traits. Good physical health often translates to enhanced self-esteem and confidence. These traits are universally attractive as they indicate self-assuredness and resilience. The ancient Roman poet Juvenal said, "A sound body creates a sound mind," emphasizing the interconnectedness of the mind and body. When you nurture one, the other one benefits, making you an alluring presence. The sixth way to make him miss you like crazy is to be slightly unpredictable. Predictability can lead to complacency. By adding an element of surprise to your actions, you keep the relationship fresh and him on his toes, eager to see what comes next. The brain is stimulated by novelty. When faced with unpredictability, it becomes alert and engaged, trying to discern patterns. This keeps the person involved and captivated, strengthening their attention towards you. President Lyndon B. Johnson said, "Expect the unexpected, and whenever possible, be the unexpected." Lyndon encouraged being a source of surprise. By being the unexpected, you command attention and interest. The seventh way to make him miss you like crazy is to be a great listener. In a world full of distractions, genuine listening has become a rare skill. By intently listening to a man, you show him that his thoughts and feelings are valued. This deepens the bond and makes him cherish your presence. Feeling heard and understood activates the release of oxytocin, often referred to as the bonding hormone. This biochemical response deepens emotional connections and fosters trust between individuals. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus said, "We have 2 ears and 1 mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak." This quote underscores the importance of listening. True connection arises not from speaking, but from understanding, which is the product of attentive listening. The 8th way to make him miss you like crazy is to set standards and set boundaries. Setting standards and boundaries isn't about being distant, it's about self-respect. When you establish clear boundaries, you teach him how you wish to be treated, fostering mutual respect. Boundaries provide a sense of security and stability in relationships. When standards are set, it eliminates ambiguity and communicates self-worth, which can be incredibly attractive. An old saying says, "The best boundary between two people is respect." This saying underscores the idea that true boundaries are not walls, but bridges built on the foundation of respect. It allows the closeness while maintaining individual integrity. The 9th way to make him miss you like crazy is to recall great shared memories with him. Reminiscing about shared experiences rekindles emotions from those moments. By occasionally recalling great memories, you reinforce the bond and remind him of the joy of your companionship. Shared memories activate the release of serotonin, a feel-good neurotransmitter. Revisiting these moments emotionally transports individuals back, intensifying the connection. The ancient Greek philosopher Aristotle said, "Memory is the scribe of the soul." Aristotle believed that memories are markers of our essence. By revisiting shared memories, you touch the depth of the soul, invoking intimacy. The 10th way to make him miss you like crazy is to give him lots of space. Just as closeness is vital, so is giving space. Allowing him time alone or with others gives room for personal growth and reinforces trust in the relationship. Independence and autonomy are crucial for individual well-being. By granting space, you support his personal growth, which then positively feeds back into the relationship. The Lebanese-American poet Khalil Gibran said, "Let there be space in your togetherness." This wisdom suggests that true unity isn't about constant proximity, but about allowing room for individuality within togetherness. The 11th way to make him miss you like crazy is to avoid reaching out to him. Sometimes refraining from reaching out can be a potent tool. It allows him to reflect and realize your value, sparking a desire to connect from his end. When faced with an absence, the mind often dwells on what's missing. By not reaching out, you become that gentle void, prompting him to fill it. The English historian Thomas Fuller said, "Absence sharpens love, presence strengthens it." This quote captures the duality of love. While being present solidifies love, it's the moments of absence that often magnify its intensity. The 12th way to make him miss you like crazy is to put yourself into an uplifting environment. Surrounding yourself with positivity and growth-oriented situations and people enhances your personal well-being. As you flourish, you naturally become more appealing and magnetic. Environments shape our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors. An uplifting environment bolsters self-esteem and positivity, traits that are inherently attractive to others. The ancient Greek fable writer Aesop said, "A person is known by the company they keep." Recognizing that our environment, especially the people around us, reflects upon our character. By being in an uplifting environment, you not only enrich yourself, but also elevate your perceived value to others. Navigating human bonds demands wisdom and intention. These strategies, rooted in age-old wisdom and human psychology, guide you in deepening connections. By combining respect, self-awareness, and understanding, you can create a bond that makes your absence deeply felt and your reunions cherished and highly desired by him. Next, if you'd like to discover a hidden secret to get the man and relationship you want fast, then take our free love quiz at getlovequiz.com or subscribe and click on the link in the description or comments below this training now to get that, and I will see you there.